Step 1. Switch off the ignition and remove the transmitter key from the EIS control unit. Wait at least 1 minute after switching off the ignition to start work on electrical or electronic components. Otherwise, malfunctions can occur in the battery management system. Step 2. Remove paneling, shown here as number 1, starting at top, arrow. Use long wedge. Step 3. Remove bolt, shown here as number 6, from check strap, shown here as number 7. Pay attention on self-locking nuts and bolts. Only on model 639 with code SH9, Windowbag for driver and front passenger, install new bolt, shown here as number 6. Step 4, slightly pull paneling, shown here as number 1, upward, check clips, shown here as number 2, for damage, replace if necessary, the guide pins, shown here as number 3, should rest correctly on the guides, shown here as number 4. Ensure the door frame rubber seal, shown here as number 5, is seated correctly. Step 5. Disconnect electrical connector from left Apillar tweeter, shown here as H4/87, or right Apillar tweeter, shown here as H4/88, and remove electrical line from paneling, shown here as number 1. Step 6. Remove cover, shown here as number 1. Step 7. Remove tweeter, left Apillar, shown here as H4/87, or tweeter, right Apillar, shown here as H4/88, from paneling, shown here as number 1. Step 8. Remove check strap, shown here as number 7, from paneling, shown here as number 1. Step 9. Install in the reverse order. Step 10. Check left Apillar tweeter, H4/87, and right Apillar tweeter, H4/88, for proper function.